If you're looking for a copywriting course on Coursera, you might be wondering which one is actually worth taking. In this Coursera copywriting course review, I'll cover the best options, what you'll learn, and whether Coursera Plus gives you the best value. Before we begin, check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description. Right now, you can save 40% on your first 3 months of Coursera Plus. One of the best beginner options is Good with Words, Writing and Editing by the University of Michigan. This specialization has a 4.7-star rating with more than 2,600 reviews. You'll improve your writing, editing, proofreading, storytelling, and communication skills. These are essential foundations for anyone who wants to become a better copywriter. Another excellent choice is content creation and copywriting. This intermediate specialization has a 4.5-star rating with nearly 800 reviews. You'll learn copywriting, content creation, storytelling, Canva, SEO, prompt engineering, and AI-powered content creation. It's ideal if you want modern copywriting skills for digital marketing. If you're interested in writing high-converting marketing content, I also recommend Copywriting with ChatGPT. Produce compelling copy that sells. This guided project has a 4.7-star rating and teaches prompt engineering, audience research, persuasive writing, editing, product positioning, and AI-assisted copywriting. It's a great way to learn how AI can improve your writing workflow. If you only need one course, buying it separately may be enough. But if you want to build multiple skills, Coursera Plus is usually the better value. Individual learning programs often cost between $49 and $79 per month. Coursera Plus gives you unlimited access to thousands of eligible courses, professional certificates, specializations, guided projects, and hands-on labs with one subscription. With the current promotion, you'll pay just $35.40 per month for your first 3 months instead of the regular $59. That makes it much easier to complete multiple certificates while saving money. If you're serious about improving your copywriting skills, check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer ends.